Hey, welcome. This is Rishi again. Now we're gonna understand how to install SoapUI on your computer. This is absolutely easy, I'll tell you. But then you have to grab this particular URL. Now people that make common mistake to grab SoapUI Pro. Now we don't actually need SoapUI Pro. We need SoapUI open source, which actually have a basic features of testing, and this is amazing. We need this. That's it. We don't need all these features. Okay. And you know what? Most of the times, even industry gonna adopt open source version of it. Anyway, the other features which you are looking at right now, these are just add-on features, okay, like end-to-end testing support, okay, multiple environment support, but then basic testing packages are right here, so we are good to go. So now go ahead and install download SoapUI, and it's gonna download on your computer. This is it. Click on it. So you're gonna find that this particular link below this particular video. Please grab it from the video below. Okay, I downloaded SoapUI right here in this folder, Rishi H2K Web Services SoapUI. Okay, so I'm gonna start the installation. Just double click here and it's gonna start. It's extracting from install 4J. What I'm going to do is I'm gonna continue this folder as my installation folder also. Like I'm gonna install on Rishi H2K Web Services SoapUI. Okay, click on next. Now this is the path which is actually given by default. I'm not going to use this path, rather I'm going to change it. So I'm going to grabbing this particular thing and put it here as a path. You can also browse, by the way. That's also a better way. So I'm actually creating Rishi H2K Web Services SOAP UI, and under that SOAP UI 5.50. Okay, so it will check what is memory and all those things. That's fine. Go ahead and click on next. Now, what are the options you need? So SoapUI I definitely need, tutorials I need, but I don't need Hermes GMS and source. Okay, I don't need that. See, open source, that means that it will be a source provided. So source will be given to you. But frankly speaking, we do not actually worry about source because we are not going to modify anything from this particular software. Okay, so we are good with that. So tutorials are cool and SoapUI is cool. So go ahead and click next. Even tutorials are not, tutorials are anyway online. Okay, so you can always go grab the tutorials from SoapUI website. Click on next. Now this is where I want to change it. So I want to again grab this and put it here in SoapUI tutorials. Go with that. Click on next. Okay, that's fine. Create a start menu, that's okay. Shortcuts also fine. Click on next and create desktop icon and next, and it's gonna install SoapUI on my computer. You can see that the installation folder got created and it's installing. Okay, you got tutorials as well as this folder. So now view release notes, that's fine. I can skip that option, but run SoapUI. So this is a good test that whether my installation is complete or not. So go ahead and finish that. It will start SoapUI on your computer, and if it starts well and good, you got your SoapUI created or installed properly. Okay, project created. Okay, this one project. So there are some existing projects on my computer. Okay, so they are saying that if these are created with this particular project structure, it may not work, but that's okay for me. I'll be recreating the new projects for you. Awesome. So for you, this workspace should be completely empty, people. Okay, so if you have this particular project folder only and you do not have anything else, this is completely okay, I'll tell you. So this is it. Your installation is complete, and you should not see these folders. These are like something which we are working on. I told you I'm working in Walgreens already. So these are the things which I'm working on right now. So you might actually skip this. Cool with this? So okay, skipping this, and your SoapUI is ready. Awesome. So thanks a lot, everyone. Have a good one. Enjoy your time. Thank you.